Wow! So, galing ako ng bayan, guys. Bumili ako ng mga butterfly. And ito na yung ating gown na ginawa ni Mami Yo. Tapos, bumili din ako ng feather. Risi, show the feather, dali. Yan, bumili din ako ng feather, guys. Kasi ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ko. Ilalagay ko yan sa ano. Yung feather lang, Risi. Feather lang. Dali, show the feather. Yan. Yan, yung feather, ilalagay ko siya sa kapa. So, yun guys. Wait nyo lang guys,
Let's subscribe!
Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Mommy, I can't eat the blue.
Okay. Careful with your...
Linky Uruga.
Miss Oras.
Miss Alas.
Smile ate, ha?
What?
Guys. And we're ready now. So, tapos na yung gown ni ate. Ay. Wala akong tripod eh. Wait lang anak. This is for you. Wait, hindi. Gagawin. Yan.
Where's my butterfly?
Wala, tinanggal ko kasi it remove eh. It remove.
Yung butterflies are beautiful.
It's remove, i-remove na ate. It's not good. It fall down. Everything drop. That's why I keep it na lang.
Where did you give?
Ha?
Where did you give the butterfly?
What butterfly?
Butterfly with the dress.
Congratulations, baby. Bibi Gingging.
Kaklose ko itong back niya.
Congratulations.
Congrats, ate. Yes, all. Huwag mo daganan pa ha. Naka-charge siya, no? Mahuhulog yung cellphone ko. Huwag mo daganan.
Oo nga. Anong pinanalo ni
Miss Olas.
Miss Ula?
Olas?
Miss Olas.
Miss siya ng kanilang school.
Ha?
Miss Olas. Miss Our Lady of Angel.
Miss Ula.
Olas!
Oo.
Di ba Olas yan?
Oo nga. Miss Olas. Okay naman. Very good. Congratulations for being a winner of Miss Olas.
Is it done?
Wait lang.
Can I put this in the back?
For the back na. Doon ka, ganyan. Turn dito lang. Kasi ayusin ko yung babae.
Daddy, come down.
Ano yung nagtahi na si mama mo lang?
Oo.
Hayat na tumahay ng pang miss.
Itong gown na to, galing sa Ukay.
Okay.
Binili ko 500. Tapos ito, ginawa niya.
Nagawa na lang.
Yan yung raffles. Tapos ito, pinagawa ko din.
Ah,
Tapos nilagyan ko na lang ng mga design. Kasi ito, nilagyan ko din ng burda.
mm,
Is he looking at me? What, you fly?
oh, there, baby Rick.
I have places too.
Baby
Ah.
Rick.
maglalaro na. O, masisira yung hair mo.
Ano yun? Paparada pa.
Bukas.
Bukas na. Ano, dyan lang sa oras.
Ha?
Dyan lang sa oras.
Hindi, lalabas doon
Ate,
sa
go
Rockville.
upstairs na, ate.
Papunta ng
Ate,
Rockville.
go upstairs, ate.
Papunta ng Rockville. Tapos doon sa may
Ate,
Remerville.
go upstairs, ate. Go upstairs.
Iikot dito.
Iikot dito. Akin na, akin na.
Ate, go upstairs, ate. Go upstairs.
Yan. Ganyan na, dyan. Yung diaper mo, sabi ko itapon mo eh. Oh. Teka, kakabit natin to. Teka lang, teka. Kakabit natin to kasi baka malaglag.
Ate, go upstairs, ate.
Ano, go upstairs. Bakit?
Because Daddy was, so Daddy was here.
Hindi, mahirap umakyat yan. Daddy will go down. Go down si Daddy.
But Daddy's so slow.
Eh, nag-ano pa si Daddy sa CR, di ba?
Daddy is looking for Daddy's dress.
Hmm? Kaya talaga.
Daddy, Tumba, tumba, Daddy.
Sa anong grade lang yan?
Ha? Wow. Ano lahat?
Lahat?
Lahat.
Was the potter by the tumba,
Di ba grade 1 lang siya?
Oo. Siya yung nanalo sa lahat.
Siya?
Siya nanalo sa lahat.
Tumba, Daddy.
Galing naman. Mga judge. Mga teacher, mga judge.
Mm.
Mr. Potter by the
Wala, dahil ang hirap. Doon ka sa camera ate, oh. Ayan, oh. Wait, not yet. Ayun, look down. Look down. Yung eyes lang. Naku, yan, may napunta. Look down nga. May napunta na dun sa ano. Nag-lock. Ay, ano ba yun? Sisirain mo ba yan? Sisirain mo ba?
Mr. Potter by Tumba.
Huwag mo sirain. Huwag mo sisirain. Ang hirap.
Mr. Bad Potter.
Wow. Nice one. Look at me muna. Oh, ang ganda oh. Dati ka mo. Oh, yung ano niya oh.
Once again, a round of applause to our astonishing ladies.
Tienes el bate y la fuerza que yo necesito. Algo tan grande y me vuelve loca. Tu lado salvaje, tú me has dado tanto que he estado pensando, ya lo tengo todo. Pero, ¿y el anillo pa' cuándo? Muerde como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así me gusta, como pone la fruta, si cada de noche me asusta, si mamá conoce la fruta, así que me gusta, así aquí, pa' que estoy pa' ti, dale ya, y así somos las que muévete más, que siga la fiesta conmigo nomás, no pierdas el enfoque, papi quiere la clase, cuando apenas la toque, oro con 3 envases. Nunca había sentido algo tan grande y me vuelve loca. Tu lado salvaje, tú me has dado tanto que he estado pensando, ya lo tengo todo. ¿Y el anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo?
Thank you so much to our dear princesses. Your performances were indeed spectacular. May we call our dear parent, Mrs. Carmina Joy Aron, as well as Mr. and Mrs. Rodel and Arlene G. Organ to do the honor of crowning, please. May we also request our Honorable Father Edgar on the stage, assisted by Miss Carmela and Miss Mary Lou.
True love start to away till they see the light of God today. Pray the Lord God's gospel bearers establish for God's glorious reign. Distinguish as almost equal beautiful, heaven of Franciscan guiding principles. Advocate of peace, peace and justice. Witness to creation's integrity, responsive to society's transformation. Always, always harmony and unity. All hail, Our Lady of the Angels, hail. Your banner we raised up high. Gospel witnesses for all to see. Loyal and true to Christ, we live forever.
Finally, we would like to thank everyone who, in one way or another, helped grace this occasion. Once again, thank you very much to our ever-supportive parents. This has been Miss Alira, your MC for the day. Paxet Bonum and mabuhay tayong lahat. Winners and representatives, please be ready for the reception now.
Yung
more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Aiden, baby.
Paralo na. Paralo na sa, ano, paralo pa sa...
Inambit ko kagabi, miss, hindi daw.
Ano po yung happy na? Uli tayo, girl.
Smile, ate. You're making funny face.
Smile lang, Katie. Hindi kasi nakatagway lang ano yun. Parang emoji.
Did you have a swimsuit?
Oh, you wave kayo, ganon, wave. Ganon, practice wave. Yan.
Bye, Aaron!
Yan.
Ow. Where are you going? I like to do this again.
Yeah. With your two hands. Two hands, ganyan. Ganyan, two hands. Hi, everyone.
Everyone's following us! What?
Abon! Oh, nagka-cardio. Pala, grabber sa akin.
You're following! Hey! It doesn't move! We're moving!
Hello.
Oh my god, the umbrella is hurting my eyes! It's gonna hurt your eyes! Oh, that was a song! Wow, that was a song car! Give me the umbrella, it's so hot!
Ah, dali.
I don't need I need it!
Oh, go.
Now I'm a shell.
Don't cover the
We
face.
are a shell. Hey, he did it again!
Yeah. Yung crown mo, yung crown.
I need to see.
Ay,
Go! Give me. Now. You have a toy car? What? He has a toy car. Yes, I saw it. Yeah, I really want a Lamborghini. Just the car. I like to buy a Lamborghini.
What?
I like to buy a Lamborghini. But it's a high cost. I like to buy a Lamborghini. I like to buy a toy motorcycle. A toy motorcycle. I ride a toy car. I think the Groupie puppet. What? The Groupie puppet? My booty cheek puppet. This is going to be Sussy.